Joe. What was your island there? I may give you a call sometime if you don't care.
Salt Spring Island. Salt Spring Island. Sierra Alpha Lima Tango. Separation Spring. Salt, like table salt. Spring Island.
Roger, Roger. If you send me an email, I'll be hooked up with you. I'll have your number then.
I don't have an, you know what, I don't have an iPhone. I don't have an iPhone. I only have a computer because iPhones don't work very good at this end of the island. It's very, very poor reception.
Roger on poor reception. For doggone sure. You hear yourself talking?
Hey, Jungle Joe.
It's delayed. It's funny because when people are watching this live stream and I'm talking to them over the airwaves, there's a bit of a delay between here and when you're watching, right? It might be a couple of seconds or so.
When people are watching this live stream and I'm talking to them over the airwaves, there's a bit of a delay between here and when you're watching, right? It might be a couple of seconds or so.
Did you hear yourself, Joe?
Yeah, I hear myself. That's funny.
Hey, that Arkansas station, what's your numbers?
This is Solarcon.
We go Charlie Oscar 3541 there.
Copy on the CO3541. You got Z28, and I'm doing a Videogate on you. And Jungle Joe got you in there too. I'll be posting it later on, man. And I got that Salt Spring Island. I'll have to check that out. I don't even know where that is. These guys are both sounding good over here in California.
Well, if you don't mind, sometime I'll send you some pictures, right?
Sounds good, man. That's awesome. I appreciate it. Yeah, you're slamming here from California, and Jack there from Arkansas. Sounding good and loud out here on the Gulf Islands.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, you dropped down a few minutes ago, and then the signal picked right back up, so it's sounding good now. You're about S9, so both of you are about rolling at about 5.7 and then S9, so good sounding stations on both sides. It's kind of interesting. We're getting usually I don't get north-south skip that good, so I'm pretty happy about it today. Oh, copy. Okay, QSL.
Yeah, so we're due north of you. It's about, you're probably about 1,100 miles south of us.
That's pretty short skip, actually.
It is short skip. I like it. It's cool. You know, I talk to Arkansas every day, and yeah, Jack is just moving here. He sounds like a local.
Yeah, copy that. Usually, well, he sounds better on the, I think, vertical also. Hey, CO3541, are you on a vertical antenna also?
Roger there. We're on a 24-foot iMax. They're about 110 feet to the bottom.
Copy, 110 feet. Holy smokes! What are you running for a what is it? A tower? What's holding that thing up 110 feet?
I just built a hinge plate out of 3/8-inch steel and put 3 legs on it on an angle iron and wrapped them in rebar and stuck it in about 5 feet of concrete. I got a concrete block that's in about 5x5 cube.
Wow, that's pretty awesome, man. That's really high up. Yeah, we're all on iMax 2000s then, because that's what I'm running. And then I know Joe just said he was on a 2000, so we're all talking on. All 3 of us are on iMax 2000 antennas.
Well, I got an extra one while I could get them. I had a 90 they were going to do away with them, and they did. So I've got an extra one for hard times. But this one's been really good to me. Hey, cool.
Got pretty good antennas. They seem to work well. They're definitely working for you guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning into my video. I'm going to have to roll now. I'm going to go outside and do a little something. It's just too nice and sunny out there.
Yeah, copy. Yeah, I'll be posting your this gate also, so you can check it out, Joe.
So check it out. C28 Videogates, right?
Yep, QSL.
That's awesome. Cool, man. Well, I got to check my live stream right now. So, like I say, we're live, and I'm glad Jack tuned in too from Arkansas.
Yeah, I hear him as well, so it's cool. Usually, sometimes you don't get both sides. I'm getting both sides of the conversation, so that's really cool.